If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again. And now we're choosing not to be your friend. When you ask me, I'll just say I got a man. It wouldn't be no dates, it would be no staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and I'm just trying to figure out. Said you'd always be my baby, then you bounce. How you gonna up and leave like that? When I gave you all I had, I gave you the real me, told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around in front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't see this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in. But I wish you well though, that's all I could tell you. Maybe in your next life you'll find everything you wanted. I never thought that loving you would cause me pain. I'll never put a man before myself again. You should've told me that you wasn't certain. This ain't what I wanted, this ain't working. You was dead ass my baby, love the shit out of you. Crazy shit, it's crazy how you could just turn around and try to play me. Boy, I know that we've been going through some things, but just keep it real is all I'm saying. I was the one loving you, I was the one covering you. Call me when you need me, I was the one coming through. Why didn't you believe in us? How come you just couldn't love? It wasn't that you didn't care, you just wasn't good at love. How you gonna up and leave like that? When I gave you all I had, I gave you the real me, told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around in front like you don't feel me.